Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2014 Toyota 86, stock number 6406. This ran from the 4th 2012 to the 9th 2016. Has an FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 6-speed manual transmission. This is a FA 22 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left front door mirror. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre, right front door mirror, right front 17-inch factory alloy mega tyre.
You know what sucks on a song?
Right
You
front
start
door card,
referencing a song that's not a hit.
manual gear shifter,
it's like,
header
who
AC
knows that Holy
controls,
Moly song? That
factory
didn't do nothing.
touchscreen
Before
stereo,
that, the main
interior
Holy Moly
mirror,
song was that really scary
front
one from Line
sun
40R and Litre
right
Silver.
front sun visor,
Do you remember?
factory 3-spoke vinyl steering
Yeah,
wheel,
and it had this like
instrument
in the
cluster,
background. It was bizarre.